Are you ready to see how I planned my third week in May using the lemon themed stickers that I printed out? Well then stay tuned. Hi everyone, Pam here from Creative Homescaping. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. This video is the third in my series of weekly lemon themed plan with me's. I actually have a monthly plan with me that's lemon themed, and then I am doing the rest of the month in weeks in my happy planner with lemon themed stickers from the same kit as well. So let's get going on that. So as you can see, I have already put down the stickers in my planner for this third week in May. And I don't have too much going on this week, except I do have a hair appointment that day. So I have kept it pretty clean and simple. I've only used a couple stickers that actually have lemons on them. One here for my hair appointment, one here down here where I'm going to write in the zone that I'm working on this week. And what I've done is at the top, I'm going to turn this around so you can see it a little better, and I'll try not to cut it off like it was last week. So at the very top, this first section I've put today, those are kind of ordinary tasks I want to get done during the day. And then in the middle section, I've used the to-do stickers all the way across. These are going to be my zone cleaning to-do items. I may not need all 7 of these heart checklists spaces for each day, but I did want to add a little bit of variety in, and I had them, so I thought I might as well use them on this week where I don't have a lot going on, to add a little more color into the spread. And then I have taken some stickers I got out of a sticker book to use as habit trackers, one for my thyroid medicine and one for my vitamins. And then down the side here, I'm going to put my meals. You can see I have a steaming pot there for cooking. And then I always do a load of laundry on Monday, that is clothes. And then on Wednesday, my husband and I like to watch Survivor and Amazing Race. Those are the 2 actual TV shows that we watch on a regular basis. We don't watch anything else, except for my husband's birthday, our daughters gave him an HBO Now subscription so he could watch Game of Thrones in real time rather than waiting till the Blu-rays come out. So Sunday we will be watching Game of Thrones. So I think that's the next to the last episode there. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill everything in, and then I'll show you how it looks filled out. Here's how it looks with everything filled in. Even though I don't run, I am using these running stickers to designate my exercise for the week, but I am writing yoga next to them, so I know that I'm doing yoga. And then I went ahead and filled in what I'm going to watch. And then I also put this little tiny to-do sticker here. I thought it looked kind of cute covering up this circle, but because it was yellow, but it sort of looked yellow like sunlight coming out with these little rays that are printed on the paper. So that's it. So this week, as you can see, I did things a little differently. I didn't show myself putting the stickers down. I just kind of gave you an overview and then some of me writing in the items that I needed to do. Let me know in the comments down below which way you like best. Do you like to see me put the stickers down, or do you like to just get an overview of how I put everything together at the end? That's it for now. I want to thank all of you for watching, and again, if you are new to my channel, I do post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So why don't you subscribe by clicking that icon in the corner of this video or on the subscribe button in the description box down below. I want to thank all of you again for watching, and I look forward to seeing all of you next time. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.